Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you change your Wattpad username. So at first make sure that you have an account in Wattpad, and if you already have an account just go to the Wattpad app. Now in the Wattpad app, here you can see in the top right your profile icon. Click on it. After clicking your profile icon, here you can see under your profile your name is written here, just like my name. Just click on your name, and after clicking your name, here you can see under about the first thing here is username. Just click on it, and here you can see your username here. You can just change your username like giving anything you want, and after giving your username other things, just click on this change button here and your username will be changed. So guys, that's how you can change username in Wattpad. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.